Today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is "Wannabe Tough Girl Learns the Consequences of Hitting a Cop."
On May 27, 2024, officers were investigating a shooting when two females began to fight across the street.
Go! Don't touch me! Get back now! Don't touch me! Don't! Go back! Bitch, you gotta go! Check on your dumb ass! I'm done! I ain't even... No, not anymore! Not anymore! I'm done! Not anymore! Not anymore!
Oh!
Back up! Back up! Back up! Okay, wait a minute! Back up! Put your hands on your back! Back up! Right now! Get back! Back up! Hey, Sergeant, please chill out. We do not want to Here. Back up. I can't get my arm! Please chill out.
Pretty sure she just hit White in the face.
You did.
All right.
Get her in the coat. I didn't try to.
Well, you did.
Let me go, bro. Hey, please don't jack her up, man. Please don't jack her up, man.
Clear traffic, 110.
It amazes me how people don't think about their actions before they do it. Look how she hits the cop and then immediately is like, I'm done.
Yeah. Stop.
I know. Get back now. Get back now. Don't. Go back. Bitch, you gotta go. Check on your dumb ass.
Look at that.
I'm done. I ain't even...
Now you done. Now you done.
Not anymore.
Unbelievable.
Well, she's right now going to into the car.
Can I just take her? Can I just...
No, she's done now. She's going to jail.
Why is she going to jail?
She just struck me in the face. I tried to get her to separate. She didn't. She threw her fist and hit me in the ear. Doesn't mean it. She threw a punch and it hit me. She threw a punch at me in the ear.
She showed up. They started at 22, and she punched White in the side of the head.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Excuse me! I can't breathe! I
Oh,
can't breathe!
God.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Sound like she could breathe to me.
Good? Yeah.
Is your camera rolling?
Yes, it is. Right as soon as I start walking up.
Oh, hit you right in the face. Like, no.
Yeah.
Sir, I can't breathe! Please, help me! Help!
Volume reduced.
Scene.
Yo, body can't. Yo, y'all funny, man. Y'all editing team is funny, bruh. Look at this. Volume reduced for viewer safety. You guys crack me up, man. You guys crack me up. That's funny.
We gotta maintain this scene. Yeah, this chick punched White in the side of the head. That one's screaming.
Help! Help! I have dirt in my face! I can't breathe! I have dirt in my face! I can't see! Please help me! Please help me!
That's the cousin of the shooter. That came over here and tried to fight her. Great. And then...
I believe these are the ones that were in that car I was passing by.
Yes.
Definitely for sure now.
Help me! Please, 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 please! Please, 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 I can't see! Please, I can't see!
Hey, you gonna listen?
Straight trying to go to jail with this, bro. With this altercation, her baby daddy just shot my uncle.
Okay, well, you shouldn't be swinging at cops.
I wasn't swinging at him. I was actually talking to him. I didn't try to. I have dirt and sand all in my face. That's what I was asking you for. This is hurting my hand.
Stop.
It's giving me a mark, sir. Please.
You know what? Stop moving and just listen. You're talking, you need to listen.
There's no one listening to me. Please,
So,
please, please.
You gotta calm down if I wipe your face off.
Please, 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 please.
You need to listen. You need to listen to me
Please,
now.
please, please, please,
Are you
please.
gonna calm down if I wipe
I don't even know where my shoes
Are you going to calm down if I wipe the dirt off your
I have
face?
dirt all over me.
If I get
The fact that you have to keep saying that as the officer is a clear sign that no, even if you wipe her face, she is going to continue to act like an animal. Okay?
Off your face, you're gonna calm down.
Can I stand up, please, for you?
Are you going to calm down?
Can I ask you a question? Can I stand up while
You
you
have
do
not
it,
answered
sir?
a single one of my
I said
questions.
yes. Can I simply stand up while you do
No,
it?
you cannot stand up. You can stay in the seated position. I can wipe the dirt off your face.
This is hurting my arm, man.
Yep, they're not meant to be comfortable.
Just bang out a. I'll have them take over for you. All right. Here, just bang out a run step, Dave. All right.
You're not gonna do anything stupid. You're not gonna spit on me. You're not gonna try to bite me.
I ain't trying to spit. I didn't try to do any of that. He grabbed me by my arm. No, sir, I am not. I never tried to do anything to hurt any one of you. I was simply talking to my sister-in-law. This was a family ordeal. This had nothing to do with anybody.
Close your eyes.
I don't want this. Oh, ow!
Close your eyes.
You just got my nose ring on there. My nose ring is hooked to that exactly right there.
Look at me.
It's, oh,
Just close your eyes.
I'm trying to. It's in there.
Well, I don't have water to get the sand out.
And this one's clinking with my bracelet, so it's hurting my arm.
Okay, well, I can fit a finger into each of those. I can.
But do you see where it's hitting the bracelet?
I can try and take the bracelets off.
81 Bravo Alpha, White 81 BA.
Can I get my shoes at least?
Not right now. I don't know where they are.
Can you ask her in the black where my you didn't fix this?
Man, you
this was
asking for
tight.
too much shit, man.
Not
Damn, you
in this
needy.
one?
Yes, I can.
Dude, in your finger? In this one? My finger one,
Like I said.
This is why you don't help them. Because they always gonna want, once you open the Pandora's box, and you help them with one thing, it's gonna be another thing. That's why when I was in corrections, they always taught me the answer is no. And it's easier to turn a no into a yes versus a yes into a no. So once you start down that rabbit hole, yes, I could do this, I could do that. It's never enough. That's why it's just no. That's it. It's just no. No, not especially because you just hit one of our officers.
I'm meant to be comfortable.
Can I get all the officers' name? Will they be on side of the thing?
Yes.
They'll be all on side of it. So, sir. Hello! You're not gonna fucking answer me! Hello! Please! I'm talking to you and you closing the door in my face, buddy. Damn! I simply asked the question, was all of the officers' name gonna be on my police report? Because I need to know who to send my lawyer for.
Just the arresting officer.
Who is he? Because I'm in your car, so I figured you were my arresting officer.
No, I'm not. I'm just holding you.
So, who's the arresting officer, please?
I don't know because I wasn't there.
But they put me in your car, so can you call him for me, please?
I will try to do that, but they're a little busy right now dealing with the scene.
No, he's just standing there. I'm watching him.
Okay. Well, you can get to decide who's busy.
Hello! I need help. It's hurting my arm. I am uncomfortable. This is hurting me. I asked you this, bro.
Move it.
Please, I'm telling you, I'm uncomfortable.
I'm telling you this.
I have sand all over me. It is the most uncomfortable thing I've ever had to deal with. I simply asked you to loosen this one.
I'm going to check this again.
That this one is tighter than this one, and it is hurting my... I'm not bullshitting with you. I'm just simply asking. I can't.
You lean up forward. That's leaning forward.
That hurts.
Well, what? You're not getting out of the car, so do you want the handcuffs?
I don't care about getting out of the car, sir. That's not what I'm simply asking. I'm telling you that it is hurting my arm. That is it. Please loosen it up. I asked you to dust the sand off me. You ain't try to do that, so...
I got your face. I'm not about to touch the rest of your body.
I didn't ask you to. I could have did it myself.
Okay, well, I'm not giving you anything to do that.
Okay, you're great. Come on, bro. Can we leave?
Yeah, we're going to go to Jennifer's.
Let's go. So I want to go home. Okay, but he said you were my arresting officer.
No, I didn't say that.
You a lie, bro. Help! Ah! 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 Please let me out. Ah! Let me out. Excuse me.
See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Man, that's the first thing an old timer taught me, man. The answer they ask you for anything, it's no. And when I started training, you know, because then I would have, you know, new guys shadowing me and stuff. No, they're gonna ask you for anything, and the same goes for police officers. You know, yeah, corrections is different than cops and stuff. You know, yeah, obviously, but it's still the same. This officer has been nothing but polite and bow down to her commands and answer all her goddamn questions, and she's still acting like a fool. That's why it's always no. And I know most of my audience is older people, you know what I'm saying? I look at the analytics and stuff like that, but I actually had a guy who watches me who's actually going into being a police officer. He's going into the academy. And, you know, we were just chopping up. He sent me an email and stuff like that. We just chopping it up. And, you know, I got to send him this video because, you know, watch this. This is a prime example. It's always no. It's always easier to turn a no into a yes than to turn a yes into a no, man. That's the number one thing you gotta learn. That's one of the most important shit, man. Look at this. She's still acting a fool. The whole video.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir, excuse me. I have a question. I have rights that you're supposed to answer. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Bruh. I gotta pee. I'm about to piss in the car. I'm about to piss in this car. I'm gonna piss in the car. I gotta be having a little ass camera back here watching. I'm gonna piss in this car if they don't come and let me use the bathroom. Dude, my titty's hanging out. My titty is hanging out. I've been trying to tell you for the longest. Can you tell her to come fix my shirt? Can you let her come fix it? Okay. My titty is hanging out, and all I'm saying is that let her fix my shirt, please. I got you. We're coming again.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. Do you have any injuries?
Yes, my eye is hurting. I have dirt in my eye. That's what I was trying to explain to him, and my shoulder.
Hospital, then?
No, I don't want to go to the home.
Okay, so
Where's my shoes, please?
I do not know.
I'm sorry, but this is unacceptable to be this big and be an officer. This is insane. And this is the guy who's been bending over backwards to do everything for her. This guy, this police department need to get they officers in check, bro. This is ridiculous, bro. What the fuck?
Do you have any injuries?
Yes, my eye is hurting. I have dirt in my eye. That's what I was trying to explain to him, and my shoulder.
Hospital, then?
No, I don't want to go to the home.
Okay, so
Where's my shoes, please?
I do not know.
They're over there.
All right, let's get her in the car. Come on.
I'm simply asking the question. He's the
Linda, come on, stop.
So that's what you know.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, isn't an option.
I was talking about that hole. I was going to tell you the judge about to pull out to go up going.
No, you said no.
That's the same shit, bro.
Oh, just no? Okay, well, then I guess I'll take you home.
I gotta move that.
This is...
You hit an officer, get a year of probation. Okay. Oh, man. Fucking ridiculous, man. That guy, come on, bro. Law enforcement I ain't gonna lie, that was crazy. Law enforcement get discounts at a lot of gyms, honestly, like, especially your local ones, you know what I'm saying? Now that's crazy. And, you know, I know you're gonna be in there. You should be body shaming, this and that. Listen, I'm not the skinniest neither, right? But that is ridiculous, okay? I don't care. It's my opinion. All right, anyway, I think the officers, man, they get a 3 out of 5, man. You know what I'm saying? I think it started off pretty good. You know, once she hit him and stuff, got him, you know, got her locked up. But then that, you know, the big officer there or whatever, bending over at every command and every question and every whatever she wanted, like fix my cuffs, do this, wipe my face, you know, shit, fix my titty, you know, like it's just like, come on, like it's just come on, man. Who's the arresting officer? Can I get their names? Get this and that. Like, it's like, man, bruh. Can I get some water? Let me get a bottle of wine. You know, it's like, what else are you gonna ask for, man? Shut the hell up, man. You know? So I think he did a horrible job. But if you don't learn nothing from this video, just know this. If you are aspiring to be in law enforcement, the answer is no. For everything. It's no. If you don't know the answer, it's still no. Then you go find out the answer and then you could, okay, boom. You know, but once you say yes, boy, it is never going to stop. So I'm giving them a 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.